Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents with Adobe Acrobat detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Ensure you have the document you want to transfer ready and accessible. Click on the File menu located in the top left corner of the window. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location of your document. Choose the desired file and click Open. Once the document is open, review it to ensure it is correct. Next, go back to the File menu. Select Save as to create a new copy if needed. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the file. Enter a name for the document in the File Name field. Select the desired file format from the Save as Type drop-down, if necessary. Click Save to complete the process. To transfer the document, you may also use the Share feature. Go to the right sidebar and find the Share option. Click on Share to open the sharing settings. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the recipients. Add a message if you wish to provide additional context. Choose whether recipients can edit or just view the document. Click Send to share the document directly through email. Alternatively, you can upload the document to a cloud storage service for easier access. Open your preferred cloud service in a web browser. Log into your account and navigate to the Upload section. Click Upload and select the document from your computer. Once the upload is complete, you can share the link with others. Confirm the sharing settings in your cloud storage. This ensures that the recipients have the right permissions to access the file. Finally, notify the recipients via email or text about the document transfer. They can now access the document through the method you chose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.